Hey guys, my name is Danta, and today I'm watching the next speed edit making Nightmare Hal from Angry Birds, and now we're just gonna get the video started. Like the song. Okay. Oh wait, Tegan. Never. You bit your tongue? You should have done that.
Bit my tongue?
Yeah, you bit your tongue. Go! Sorry about that, guys. I was just trying to get inside my video. Tegan, go! No! Plus, the video's already over. Sorry. Okay, guys, that was the video. And see how it looks awesome and stuff. And that's it. And there's another video coming up, like in 50 minutes. Darn it. And then I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.